My first rental property nearly wiped me out. Forget passive income, this thing was actively sucking my bank account dry, like a leaky faucet draining a reservoir overnight. I thought I'd nailed it, prime location, looked great on paper. But the reality, cold, hard, negative cash flow month after month. Every repair felt like a punch to the gut. Every vacant week a countdown to disaster. I was stressed, barely sleeping, thinking I'd made the biggest mistake of my life. Then I discovered the BRRRR method: buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. It sounded simple, but learning to execute it felt like learning a new language. I stopped chasing shiny objects and started dissecting deals ruthlessly. Cash flow became my North Star. I learned to calculate it properly, factoring in everything: vacancy buffers, capital expenditures, maintenance, not just the mortgage and taxes. Talking to grizzled local investors, not just online personalities, was crucial. They shared the unglamorous truths, the deals that went sideways before they went right. I focused on forcing appreciation through smart renovations, finding tenants who treated the place like their own, and building relationships with lenders. Slowly, property by property, the portfolio grew. And the twist, that first nightmare property? Nah, I didn't ditch it. I applied BRRRR to it, pulled equity out, and it funded the down payment for properties 2 and 3. That initial failure became the cornerstone of my entire investment journey, proving that the toughest lessons often build the strongest foundations.